Yes. Yes, may I help you?
Here's not good. Oh, you guys have something? Hi, baby.
What's going on?
Hi, baby. Let me see if you want some tuna. You want some tuna, baby? Is tuna good? How about you? Is tuna good? Hi guys, welcome back. Today is going to be something a little bit different, I guess, but not as different as last week.
I don't remember last week. Is this baklava? Oh wait, yes I do. Okay, we're good.
So as you saw in last week's video, Hawkeye had a little cone on his head, so this week we thought maybe we should spoil them and make them little cat cakes. So we're gonna see if they like it. It is human
Consumable? Safe? What? Consumable?
Humans can also eat this. So if you want to share some bonding time with your human compatible.
I don't know.
If you want to share some quality time with your kitty and want to do something nice for them and eat with them, you can do this as well. So we're gonna.
You should also buy that wine that you can drink with your cat.
Oh,
yeah. I don't drink, but you can do that on my behalf.
That sounds like a good time. So we're gonna try it without catnip first for the cats and see if they like it, and then after we're gonna see if they like it with catnip or like sneak it in there. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Okay, so the oven is preheating, right?
Oven is preheating at 350.
350. And so it says to combine the flour, tuna, and egg white.
Okay, so flour's there. I'll separate these really quick.
And then we need a 4th cup of flour because we're doing 4 cakes. Look at how cute this is. So suitable, or fitting suitable.
It helps when you have a roommate, me, that is obsessed with cats. Yay.
Okay, so that's 1/4 cup flour. And then I'm gonna drain the tuna.
You wanted egg whites, right?
Egg whites.
Okay.
Okay, and then we need 12 ounces of tuna. And this coincidentally is 12 ounces, so we're just gonna put that in
there. Yummy. And then egg whites?
Yes.
Oh, also fitting that says meow.
Oh, look at that. It's not pink anymore, in case you were wondering.
It was only pink for like a day.
And then it says to spray the
Muffin tin?
muffin tins.
Oh wait, we only needed 4.
Did you do all 6?
I did all 6.
Whoops.
Autopilot.
Is that done preheating or no?
Yes.
Good. This looks disgusting.
Well, I mean, they don't know that.
Hope they eat it. Shoot, I'll eat it. Okay, and then it says to equally distribute them. I'll eat it.
Okay.
It says to equally distribute it onto the 4 pans or tins.
Well, now you should do 6 of them. Just make them a little bit smaller.
Yeah, true. I would make a mess for sure. And then it says to put it in the oven for 15 minutes.
Okay. I think for like at least one of them, we should sprinkle some catnip on top.
And then keep track of which one it is so I don't eat it. So
yes.
Let's do this one.
Because it's right next to the sign, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You also can tell the difference when it looks like that.
What if it sinks?
That's true. You never know. Okay.
So we're going to pop that in the oven for 15 minutes and then we'll see how they turn out.
Can we wait a little bit? We're making you a treat right now. We're literally making you a treat right now. Okay. Okay. at you.
You're so silly.
You right? Oh, where's my phone?
Oh!
And a cat oven mitt.
Okay, so we just took them out of the oven. The catnip one is a little strong.
Like the smell of the catnip?
Yeah. They look pretty well cooked, right?
Yeah.
Just looks like a patty. Look at the catnip one. We just gotta let it cool a little bit. But they actually look pretty good. I mean, they're cat cakes, right? So I think that's why this is such a cool idea, because I mean, if you have a dog and you do this, like, dogs will like eat anything, but
Yeah.
Cats are so finicky.
yeah, they're so picky in what they like. Like,
Oh,
Hawkeye
weird.
does not like beef, like, at all.
You act like I'm trying to trick you right now.
And then Perry doesn't like shrimp, you said, right?
Yeah. Or salmon.
He doesn't like salmon?
No.
What? Hawkeye loves salmon and tuna.
I know Perry's eaten some tuna in the past. But I don't know if it's like, I wouldn't say it's one of his favorites.
Can you smell it?
Do you smell the catnip?
Don't touch it though. It's still hot.
Oh, he smells
Oh.
the catnip.
Oh.
Yeah. He's
What's
like,
that?
where is it? I
need
want it.
I'll need it in my belly.
You're actually allowed to eat this stuff now.
Yeah.
Just today, though. I think I'm just gonna try it.
Ugh.
It's just tuna. Do you not like tuna? I only got the corner of it.
I like ahi, right? Spicy tuna rolls.
I have spicy mayo one and drizzle that on top.
No, I'm good.
It tastes like chicken. Or tuna. Yeah, they're really hot.
Does it taste eggy at all?
Mm-mm.
I wouldn't say go make this for yourself on a daily basis.
No, it's just to bond with your cat.
Perry. Come here.
Perry, eat the food. Here. Okay, come here.
Perry, come back here. Perry. Come here, try it. You want one with catnip on it?
Okay.
You want one with catnip?
Okay.
Maybe you should get the rolls.
I'm gonna try this one more time. Perry? Fine, I will go.
Look at some.
First, I want to see if you're gonna eat this. This one has catnip. Fine. Okay.
Oh, Hawkeye was coming.
Oh.
Oh, are you gonna get it? No one's gonna grab you. No one's gonna grab you.
This one is catnip.
Oh, he likes it.
He took it. On my hand. Perry.
Oops.
Hawkeye eats it out of your hands, but Perry needs a food bowl because he's fancy.
I'll eat this.
Why not?
Whatever, right? Hawkeye, you want more? You want more? Just This is a little heavy, actually. No wonder he just ate, like, whatever he ate. These are really good. I mean,
just lick off the catnip.
oh, apparently they're not that good.
Oh, he's actually eating.
He is?
Oh, this is a win.
Yeah. I was kind of scared that Harry wouldn't want to eat it. Or that Hawkeye wouldn't want to eat it. Look at him intently staring at it.
What is?
Eat it, baby. Hawkeye, eat it! What is wrong with you? Where's the microphone? Oops! Oh, okay, bye, Perry. There. Oh, yeah? What else you got to say? Hey! Hey! Not a toy! No! What are your no? What are your no? What are your thoughts?
You want more? You want your whisker back? Let's go. Nobody move.
You wanted some ASMR. Here you go. Okay, so that was the cat bake today in honor of Hawkeye getting his cone off and just being cat moms, I guess.
Perry was yelling at the top of his lungs, basically, for a snack, and then he gets a snack and just licks off the catnip.
Well, he's gonna be high for the rest of the day, probably.
Yeah, well.
And then you can give him that when he gets the munchies. So, win-win.
Just leave this here. This was yours.
Let us know if you do this. Let us know what you want us to make next.
Maybe we could try this again, but with like chicken or something.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
The options are endless. Check out our merch line, which is Teespring/store/novelwhiskbaker.
Teespring.com/stores/novelwhiskbaker.com. Got that right. You said Teespring.com.
The link's gonna be on the description. Check out Jennifer's blog, which is novelwhiskbaker.com. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram. It's at Girls vs. Recipes. And follow our Facebook page.
Just follow us.
Just follow us, but not like literally. Just on social media.
Yeah.
Bye! Are you saying cut?